Yo, what's going on? It's Nick. I'm back on the channel. I have another video for you. This beat was supposed to be a mixing tutorial, but after I made the mixing tutorial, like I mixed it completely on camera, but there was no audio. Like my interface was bugging out, and so like there was no audio for the entire video. So like I had to scrap it. So now the beat is all mixed and everything. So I figured I'll just go over it. And I mean, I guess it's like a Lil Tracy or Juice World or like Lil Peep, like a sad guitar beat. You know what I'm saying? So I guess I'm gonna just run this down. So I started off with this main guitar. It's Polish Girls and Omnisphere. It's a classic preset. I'm gonna go in here, and this is the pattern. Right? And then we got this little counter melody pattern. It's just another guitar in Omnisphere. This is the Jazzy Snazzy out of this drum vault bank. Sounds like this. Nice, simple, repetitive, you know. And then I got this pad that follows the chords pretty much of this first melody. So like if you look at just the notes in that melody and then you come over here and look at the pad, it's pretty much all the notes that we used in the melody. I just pieced them together to figure out where the chords had to go, and it sounds like this. Nice and simple. Next, I'm gonna go into the hi-hats. Next, I'm gonna go into these 808s. Kick pattern just follows the 808 pattern. Bow. And then all we got left is this snare. Great. And then we got this open hat, which is a little different than the patterns I usually do with open hats. It's kind of like a snare pattern, but it's a little different. Nice and repetitive, bro. That's all you gotta do to make like these trap beats, bro. They're all just real repetitive, which is a good thing, because if it's repetitive and it's good, even though it's really repetitive, that means it's a good beat, you know. And then I just have a bunch of these like transition sounds, like yeah. And I mean that's pretty much it. I went, for the melody, it was just really simple. I just clicked it in and then I threw some notes on top. Same thing with the counter melody. I just hummed it out, figured out how I wanted it, and I laid it out. And then the pad, I literally just took the notes from the melody and made them into chords, and that was it. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all hear the finished beat. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Stay safe, everybody. I hope you learned something. Have a good day.